Let's learn with Jellybeans Kids Classroom.
Hello children, today let's learn about fruits. Once upon a time, in a colorful land of Fruitville, lived 10 juicy friends who were on a mission. A mission to make kids healthy and happy. Are you ready to meet them? Let's go! Hi, I am Apple Annie. I am red, sweet, and crunchy. I keep your heart strong and your tummy full. And that's why they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Hi, I am Banana Bobo. I give you energy and helps your muscles grow. I am a perfect snack before playtime. Hello, I am Grapes Gigi. I am either purple or green, but I am juicy. I help your brain stay sharp and strong. Hi, I am Strawberry Stella. I wear a red dress and a green hat. I help your skin glow and your smile shine. Hi there, I am Orange Oli. I boost your immunity and keep colds away. So friends, sip some orange juice every day. With my spiky crown, I am Pineapple Penny. I help you digest food and keeps your tummy happy. Namaste. I am Mango Momo, the king of fruits. I am full of summer energy and sweet magic. I am Watermelon Valley. I keep you cool and hydrated on hot sunny days. So crunch me up for a juicy fun. Hello, I am Kiwi Kiki. I am small but mighty. I help your eyes see better and make sleep sweet and sound. Hi, I am Peach Pia. I am soft and sweet. I keep your skin smooth and your tummy happy. That's the end of a fruity friend adventure. Remember children, every fruit has a superpower. Eat them every day and they'll help you grow, glow and play. So which fruity friend was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button for more yummy fun with Jellybeans Kids Classroom. Ciao!